Discover Islam. The message of the messengers. Allah, the All-Knowing, All-Merciful, and All-Just, created this universe to put His loyal servants to the test and reward them, while punishing the disobedient. He says, and this is what He means: we did not make the heavens and the earth, as well as the space between them, by accident. We did not create them unless we were telling the truth, yet the majority of them have no idea. The Quran is the greatest book of God. I did not create the jinn and mankind except for my adoration, Allah said, which means I did not create the jinn and mankind except for my adoration. Allah, the Exalted, did not rely on His slaves' intellect and inclination to lead them in the right direction. Instead, He sent messengers to them as bringers of good news and warners. He sent the revealed books with them as a reference in those areas where they disputed, so that they may resolve their differences.